Now children see, this is one question based on the relative velocity in a plane, means in two dimension, when one vector makes angle with the another vector. So the question is a NCERT question. A motor boat is racing towards north at 25 km per hour and the water current in that region is 10 km per hour in the direction of 60 degree east of south. Find the resultant velocity of boat. Okay, so first of all, here we have consider VB vector is the velocity of boat in which direction? In the direction north direction. Which velocity? 25 km per hour. Now the second velocity is the water current. So VW is the velocity of water current. What is the velocity? That is given 10 km per hour. But in a direction making angle 60 degree east of south. Okay, so first of all you must know what are the directions. Direction you all know very well. This is the east direction, this is west, this is north and this is south. If in any question it is saying that 60 degree east of north, east of south, okay, east of south मतलब towards साउथ, ये जो डायरेक्शन बनेगी इसको हम कहेंगे ईस्ट ऑफ साउथ. ठीक है, कितना एंगल? ईस्ट और साउथ डायरेक्शन के बीच का एंगल 60 डिग्री. अगर किसी ने कहा नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट या ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ, तो ईस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ का मतलब ये हो गया डायरेक्शन, और ये एंगल बनेगा ईस्ट डायरेक्शन और नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन के बीच का. अगर किसी ने कहा कि वेस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ, वेस्ट टू नॉर्थ, तो वेस्ट टू नॉर्थ का मतलब ये डायरेक्शन होगी, दिस इज वेस्ट टू नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. तो एंगल बिटवीन वेस्ट डायरेक्शन एंड नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन ये हो जाएगा. क्लियर? और किसी ने कहा अगर कि वेस्ट टू साउथ, तो वेस्ट टू साउथ ये डायरेक्शन, दिस इज वेस्ट टू साउथ एंड दिस एंगल यू विल कंसीडर, या this angle you will consider. So according to this question I am going to draw the diagram. See, this is the direction I have considered. This is east direction, this is west, this is north and this is south. Okay, now according to question, motor boat is racing towards north. So where you will represent the direction of the boat? This is the direction of the boat. This is the direction of VB, which is equal to 25 km per hour. Clear? Now according to question, it is given that the water current is in the direction 60 degree east of south. So where you will show? This is east and this is south. So this is east of south direction and this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so this is the direction of what? Water current 10 km per hour. Clear? Now you have got this one vector and this one vector. So where will be the resultant acting between them? What is the angle between these two vector? ये 60 डिग्री हुआ, ये बचा हुआ एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? क्योंकि ये देखो ये पूरा इस लाइन के साथ में ये पूरा एंगल 180 है, दिस इज 180, इन दिस इज 60, सो रिमेनिंग इज व्हाट? रिमेनिंग इज 120 डिग्री. सो एंगल बिटवीन VB एंड VW वी हैव गॉट 120 डिग्री. एंड वेयर विल बी द रिजल्टेंट? रिजल्टेंट विल बी लाइंग समवेयर इन दिस डायरेक्शन, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि दो वेक्टर अगर किसी एंगल पे होते हैं तो उनका रिजल्टेंट उनके बीच में ही किसी डायरेक्शन पे लाई करता है. एंड डायरेक्शन वी डो, एंड दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट वेलोसिटी बिकॉज बोथ आर मूविंग. सो इन दैट केस you are going to find out the resultant velocity of the boat, means the relative velocity of the boat with respect to water current, or you can simply write it V vector. Clear? Now see, when we will drop a perpendicular from here and the perpendicular from this direction, so this will become a parallelogram and this is the direction of the relative velocity of boat with respect to water. and this angle we will consider beta, which the resultant vector makes with the direction of one vector, that is VB. Okay, now we are going to find out. ये डायग्राम बन गया. अब इसका मैग्नीट्यूड, किसका मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना है? फाइंड द रिजल्टेंट वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बोट, मीन्स द रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ बोट. रिजल्टेंट velocity of boat means relative velocity of boat with respect to water current. Okay, so that is why resultant velocity of boat we will consider VBW, or you can say write simply V. Clear? Now which formula we are going to apply? The resultant formula for the velocity we are going to apply. So VBW is equal to V can be written as what? अंडर रूट ऑफ. अब ये रिजल्टेंट है तो इसके ये दो कंपोनेंट हो गए ना, ये दो ही तो वेक्टर है जिनका एडिशन ये लाइन शो कर रही है. तो क्या लिखोगे? बी स्क्वायर W स्क्वायर प्लस 2B BW. व्हाट इज द एंगल बिटवीन दैम? क्योंकि थीटा जो एंगल इस फॉर्मूले में हम कंसीडर करते हैं वो इन दो वेक्टर के बीच का होता है. तो व्हाट इज दैट एंगल? 120 डिग्री, cos 120 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ दिस विल बिकम VW is equal to substitute the value 25 whole square 10 whole square plus 2 into 25 into 10. What is the value of cos 120? minus 1 by 2. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 is the value of cos 120. Now find out the value, that is VBW is equal to V is equal to what? When you will solve, you will be getting that this is 625 plus 100 plus not plus, this is minus because cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, this will become 250. Okay, see, 25 square 625, 10 square 100, and this 2 and 2 cancelled out. You will be getting 25 multiplied by 10, and this is minus 250. Okay, so this expression you have got. Finally, when you will calculate it, you will be getting the answer 21.8 kilometer per hour. Okay, now we are going to find out the direction of velocity, relative velocity of boat with respect to water current. So this is the direction and this angle is beta, which this resultant velocity makes with the direction. So now apply the formula. If this is a right angle triangle, okay, and if this is a right angle triangle, so now in this condition this will be what? This will become that is the first vector and this is second vector. So the formula we are going to apply, tan beta will be equal to, that is BW sin 120 degree, and this is VB plus BW cos 120 degree, and it comes out to be 10 multiplied by root 3 by 2. This will be 25 plus 10 minus 1 by 2. So when you will solve this expression, it comes out to be root 3 by 4, means 0.433. So tan beta is equal to 0.433 can be written as beta is equal to tan inverse 0.433. So this is the method of solving these type of questions. When the two vectors are at certain angle, this is the method to find out their magnitude and the direction.